This car was so nasty, I had to make a video to show how I clean these really nasty door panels or leather vinyl seats. And you'll see the armrest here. It's some of the before and after shots. So getting into this, the towels that I'm using are the Ultra Rip and Rag towels from the Rag Company. When you have something this nasty, get some towels that you are going to throw away when you're done. I'm introducing steam here, which I only do on really nasty surfaces and vehicles like this. My McCulloch, I think it's a 1375 steamer, and I'm using just short bursts to add some hot water and agitation, along with that auto fiber scrub pad. And the solution that I'm using first to cut the main majority of dirt is DIY Details All Clean in a spray bottle, 15-to-1 dilution. I never have a need, and you're not supposed to use it any stronger than that. So I'm going to keep working at it with steam, agitation, auto scrub, DIY Details All Clean, 15-to-1 to cut the majority of dirt down. That first towel is going to get real nasty. I'll follow up with a newer one or cleaner one in the next step. Again, just short burst with the steamer to introduce some heat and better break down that grime. I do not use a steamer ever on newer vehicles. I only break it out on trashed, soccer mom minivans, older vehicles that have been neglected for years and years, and it's okay to use something a little stronger to get that grease and grime off. Now in my little IK multi-sprayer here, Multi 360, I think, are cool. You can turn them all the way upside down. They still spray. I have Armor Detail Supplies Pilot. Their interior detail. It cleans, sanitizes, and protects in one step. I'll use this to, it adds a nice kind of little, just healthy look to the vinyl plastics and leathers that I'm cleaning as well. But it's a strong cleaner, but maybe not as strong as the APC that I was using earlier with All Clean 15-to-1. Just finishing up here, a little touch up on the underside of these armrests. If you have any questions or comments or procedures that you like to use or products that you love in these type of really nasty scenarios, put them down below in the comments. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.